Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best dehumidifier for basement with pump you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dehumidifier for basement with pump and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dehumidifier for basement with pump so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a dehumidifier for basement with pump. First, check the capacity of the dehumidifier to ensure it can handle the size and humidity level of your basement. Next, look for a built-in pump that automatically drains water upward or into a sink, saving you time and effort. Energy efficiency is important too, so choose a model with an Energy Star rating to reduce electricity costs. Pay attention to noise levels, especially if your basement is used as a living space. Also, consider ease of maintenance, such as washable filters and accessible water tanks. Finally, check features like automatic shutoff, continuous drain options, and digital humidity controls for convenience. Selecting a model that balances performance, efficiency, and ease of use will give you the best results. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.